What is up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another case review for the iPad Pro 11. I gotta tell you, I've been waiting on this for a little while. This is UAG Urban Armor Gear. This is their brand new case. Now, I brought you a case a little earlier. If you look on the screen, I was not that thrilled because of the knot it had up here for the Apple Pencil. Remember, it was going to sit up here, and the magnetic clasp was not as strong back here. Also, it did not have the sleep wake feature that I like. But this time, they got it right. This is the all-new UAG Metropolis for the iPad Pro 11-inch. Let's check it out. As we can see right here, this is the iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch model. And this is the new Urban Armor Gear, the new UAG case. This is on the market now. It is available. You can pick this up. So I will leave a link in the description below so you can go and get you one of these. Comes in 3 colors. This blue, it comes in a crimson red, and it also comes in a black. Around back, we still got the UAG insignia right there. Doing this little real estate. We got nice rubberized edges, rubberized back. We got our magnetic clasp right there. Pretty strong. It's going to hold your tablet. On the inside, we get a nice rubberized backing. We get a microfiber lining. Here, if I can show you, we got these notches. Now, these notches right here on the inside, if you can see them, notch 1, 2, and 3. That is how you're going to stand your case up using those notches. With that being said, since this microfiber lining area and this rubber, when they meet, you can basically stand it anywhere. Camera cutout is right here, nice and good to go. And we actually have a holder for the pencil over here this time on the side so that you can charge this and carry it on the side on the go. So let's go ahead and drop this in. I'm going to slide it in just like that. Make sure that these rubber edges are enclosed. There we go. This is the new look. Remember, we don't have a notch up here. Right up top, you got speaker grills, 1 and 2. Microphone cutouts right here. Power button right down in there. Down bottom, make sure that's all the way on nice and tight. Charging port is available. There we go. Got it all the way on this time. Charging port is available. We also have speaker grills, number 1 and number 2. Now, this is the moment of truth. We're going to try the, there we go. Sleep wake feature is a go on this. We got it right out of the box. All right, turn that up. Let us lock this orientation. Apple Pencil, trial number 1. There we go. Secure, snug, all the way around, good to go. Now remember, we had those 3 notches, but like I said, in any orientation or any degree, basically, because this microfiber lining on the inside against this rubber is not going to let it just slide off. So you get a nice grip no matter what degree or what angle you stand it at. So there you have it. This is the all-new UAG case for the iPad Pro, no longer having the notch up top for the pencil. It is now on the side where it should be. You can charge your pencil. You can carry it on the go. You have nice rubberized edges, rubberized backing, rubberized front. You're going to be able to protect this all the way around. So I'm going to leave a link below. Like I said earlier, you'll be able to go pick up one of these on their website. Please go and get you one while they are still there, because I got a feeling these will be going really, really fast. Great case. It's good to have around. I'm not sure if it's going to beat out my OtterBox though, so I will be doing a comparison. I have a couple more cases that I will be unboxing this week and doing some more reviews, and then there will be some comparison videos coming shortly after. But please stay tuned. This is UAG Metropolis, brand new from Urban Armor Gear. You know what to do. Be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe, and until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.